Afiadi di Okwansiti said and 70 more ankasa etie transit and truck drivers and ene wode wo fa entity ahodo mo ewa kwantempon ahodo ya wode wa hyen efa so ene kwan ya wo mo efa eniemagu won mo hyen no emu na fe bambofo no customs fo nso wo mo mra ahodo ewo man Ghana mu empo ene West African sub-region amaman ahodo bia ene wo mo ebobra na Ghana Road Transport Governance Project wombote nyina ene se wo mo ahyenka mu bambo mu bibia mu ebetimi akoyie Adom TV Kasee etoso
Ebe mfrishia mienu ni ena wona etwa hyen ewo my Ghana mu ene omo nkrabata ahodo no aka bomu a omo ye adwuma sane be ya nkwanhia ahodo ekoso wo my Ghana mu no eso ebetumi ate na mpo no ekwan so nhyehyɛ no so no adrobafo no ede be ya adwuma asenkafo ene mpanyinfo ahodo a ededa akobadie wo nsɛm so ano ahia omo hwɛ sane be ya nhyehyɛ wo kwantempon so na akobadie wo nsɛm no ebe ye mre ede ama wom Chief Engineer or Policy Planning Department our Ministry of Roads and Highways Ara Efua Efa edi atudwa chim se Eurofo nkabom kumu a omde aba no abamre pamu pa.
The European Union Technical Assistance on Transport Governance Program came in good time to support this much needed update of the driver's guide. The overall objective of this EU project is to improve the sustainability and security of the regional road transport system. The components of the project are construction of a new weighbridge station on the Tema Beach Road, needs assessment of the Ghanaian road network, technical and economic analysis of identified maintenance scenarios, capacity building for project management, development of a pricing model for transport services, and support for the sensitization program of the NFC. And it is under this support for the NFC that this driver's guide has been updated and being distributed to all stakeholders.
Orensema kakra etu dwa emfaso a senhyehyɛ mpanyinfo di gu akwan mu ebeboa ewakobadi ho.
As Ghana commits to deepen its role in regional transit and integration, road transport will continue to play a major role. As such, this driver's guide, which aids in the safe and efficient use of road corridors, is an essential resource. This workshop will have presentations that provide the details of what has been summarized in this driver's guide, and I will kindly entreat you to actively participate in this workshop.
Jemtini Edema Holy Transport Drivers and Training Center, Alhaji Yakubu Abdullahi, HSA, say Jumedia Ekosui Ebeboa Pan, Amom Wikai, so moody Kwanso Ascenso Diasono, Bibia Ebekototin. Amaneboy, Nanabuache Dankwa Adom, Edifia Santimantemu, Kumase.